And Helen Wawira will be the first Kenyan in action at this year's Paralympic Games in Tokyo, Japan. The 29-year-old powerlifter admits that she is confident of a good outing as all Kenyan eyes will be on her.
Kwanza before nifike huku kidogo nilikuwa na tension, but jana venye niliingia huku training nilisikia tu nimejawa na confident ingine. Sijaipata confident kama hiyo. So niko tayari kwa hii mashindano. Hii si mara yangu ya kwanza kuja competition, nishaishinda dhahabu, so haitakuwa mara ya kwanza.
Pinzani sio mkali sana, nasema tu maybe mchaina tu mmoja. Hata yakifanya bidii najua anaweza mshinda. Sasa kuna matumaini na yeye. Ni msichana mwenye ako na bidii na amejibelieve anaweza deliver.
And of course, we are cheering her on, wishing you all the best in that, Josette. And at a young age, the well wishes were for Helen. This is Josette, who started at a young age picking up an interest in sports, and not for the fact that she had limited options, but because no human is limited. With her sights set on the 2028 Olympics, her dreams of being the ultimate force in triathlon are brighter now more than ever. Rotuno Konyike reports.
While most athletes take up sports because of their abilities or promising potential, Kenyan triathlete Josette Njeri's inclusion in sports is a round-the-clock lifestyle. What started out as a way of coping has slowly shaped up an indomitable character in Josette that over the years has seen her morph into a skilled athlete in a sport that combines three intense activities: swimming, cycling, and running.
I was born premature, so I developed a hole in the heart, and as an alternative to surgery, the doctors recommended that I do vigorous sports, so I started out as a swimmer.
On 17th July this year, Josette Njeri relished the spotlight after a first-place finish in the 2021 Africa Triathlon Zonal Championships in Watamu.
Competing seriously in triathlon, and that was in a race in Diani when I had done my first sprint distance.
Josette has taken a keen interest in furthering her triathlon career and has identified South Africa as a favorable country to get an education while getting acquainted with the competitive side of the sport.
South Africa is very well known for their triathletes, and it's kind of like the center in Africa. So a lot of really good triathletes in Africa come from South Africa. I think that just be able to help me go to like the next level of the sport.
Born in 2003, Josette is the top-ranked female triathlete in Kenya. And while she is ranked number 22 in the African continent, her skill has elevated her to 506th globally.